Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the heart of beauty and uncover what really works. Today, we're talking about something that promises to give you a quick and easy glow, wherever you are. Nudestix's Roses and Honey Mini Kit. If you've been on the hunt for versatile beauty products that can fit into your busy life without sacrificing quality or style, this might just be your new best friend. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around to find out. This kit includes 3 mini multitaskers, cream blush, bronzer, and highlighter sticks, designed to bring you a dewy, romantic glow in an instant. Perfect for those who like to look fresh but don't have time for complicated routines. It's ideal for travel, whether you're on the go or just looking for a quick refresh during the day. The colors in this set, Bohemian Rose, Bondi Bay, and Hey Honey, are universally flattering, making it a great option for all skin tones. When it comes to the formula, these sticks are creamy but lightweight, blending effortlessly into the skin. They're designed to give you a natural, glowy finish without feeling heavy or greasy. Whether you're swiping the blush on your cheeks, bronzer on your face, or highlighter on your eyes and lips, the application is smooth and quick. I found that the product melted into my skin without any streaks or patchiness, which is always a win for me. As for real-world testing, these multitaskers were surprisingly easy to incorporate into my routine. I tried using them for a simple daytime look, and they blended into my skin seamlessly. I especially loved using the Bohemian Rose blush. It gave my cheeks a soft, natural flush that didn't feel too overdone. The bronzer, Bondi Bay, was great for adding a sun-kissed warmth to my complexion, and the Hey Honey highlighter was perfect for that touch of glow on my cheekbones and brow bone. One of the strengths of these products is their versatility. Since they're travel-sized, you can throw them in your bag and use them on the go. They're also perfect for layering. Each product builds beautifully, so you can control how much glow you want. That said, I did notice that the formula isn't completely foolproof. If you apply too much at once, it can feel a bit sticky, so I recommend building the layers slowly. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, these mini sticks are super convenient and the formula is lightweight and blendable. The shades are universally flattering and they work beautifully for different skin tones. They're perfect for anyone who needs a quick, fresh look, and the travel-size packaging makes them easy to carry around. The cons? While the products are versatile, I did find the blush to be slightly on the sheer side, especially if you prefer a more pigmented finish. The highlighter is beautiful, but can be a little too subtle for those who like a bolder glow. When it comes to value for money, these products are definitely priced in the mid-range. While they're a bit more expensive than your average drugstore options, the quality is good, and the fact that they're multitaskers makes them worth the price. If you're someone who values ease and portability in their beauty products, then it could be a great investment. Comparing it to similar products on the market, I'd say that Nudestix's kit holds its own. While there are other multitasking beauty sticks out there, the texture and blendability of these products set them apart. However, if you're looking for something more affordable, there are some drugstore alternatives that offer similar results, though they may lack the luxurious feel of these sticks. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and sturdy. The mini sticks are easy to carry and have a twist-up design that makes them mess-free. In terms of longevity, the products performed well throughout the day. I didn't have to reapply them, and they stayed put without fading, which is always a bonus. If you've had experience with Nudestix or have tried these products yourself, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experience with this kit. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an honest beauty review. Your support helps us keep delivering these genuine insights. And if you're itching to grab this kit, the link is in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.